Hey guys, I finally got the freelance job or freelance gig from not using the platforms like the Fiverr or Upwork. Without these platforms, I'm able to just literally gain the first ever freelance client from not using these platforms from directly LinkedIn. And this is the video in which I'll be talking about the steps or the few things that made me to get this type of freelance gig, so that you can follow these exact steps, if not but similar steps, and gain the freelance gig as soon as possible without using the platforms like the Fiverr or Upwork or Freelancer or many more things like that. Because to be honest, there is lots of competition over there going on, and I don't want to get you guys to just be on these platforms and to not explore other opportunities that you can get. So let us stick into this video. Stick to the very end if you are really wanting to get into a freelance gig or stuff like that. And now here is the complete video for you guys, but before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for more such videos coming in the future about freelancing, podcast and many more things on this channel. Because the videos are literally going to be just knowledge packed, so do not worry about that. You are not going to waste any amount, you are not going to waste even a second watching this video. So let's get into this video to talk about the freelancing. So the thing happened is that I basically uploaded a full Python course on my YouTube channel, as you might have seen already. In that course, I have just talked about a beginner friendly way to learn Python and many more things like that. It is just around an hour long, and in that I talked about the basic fundamentals of Python, and that can eventually make you guys to learn Python at a higher level as well. So in that video I talked about basic things that you need to learn about Python. So the thing happened is that after watching that video, I had my LinkedIn connection, and after that they said that the video is great and stuff like that. There's a guy named, and if you are willing to call him on my YouTube channel for a podcast, let me know in the comment section. I will surely call him and have a talk on my YouTube channel as well about his journey, his startup and many more things like that. So the thing happened is that the company in which he is working nowadays, that is a startup, and they are currently just selling the courses, and just because of that he reached out to me as well. And basically he also wanted to create a Python course and to be created by me, and he watched the video of mine Python tutorial of 1 hour long, and in that, as I told you guys, there was basic things and fundamental things. So after watching that thing, he also liked the video, and after that we just had a couple of calls going on there, here and there, and after that we decided to come to a conclusion that I will be creating the video full course for Python. And the Python course will be divided into two main videos. Like there is a complete beginner friendly Python course that I will be creating for their website, their application or their startup, or for their purpose only. And there will be another video of Python advanced course. So basically he can give me he's giving me 2 freelance gigs at a time. After completing the Python beginner course, I will get paid for that. Amount is pretty well, because I don't think that I'm working for the amount, but I will be working for many more things that I will be discussing in this very video. So do not worry about that. So the first thing is, he will be giving me amount, and that's a sure, that for sure. And after that, I just got 2 freelance gigs at one time, but the third one is very important, because I also got the third course that I will be creating for them. And these are basically the 3 freelance jobs that I got at a time from the same guy, from the same company onwards. So I will be creating bunch of courses for them. So this is the thing that I will be doing for them. So basically what happened is that they are creating the freelance their website on which there will be multiple courses, and they want the different people out there to create courses for them, and they will be paying for them as a freelance job or freelance gig. So this is how the thing is all about the work that I will be doing. But most importantly, what is the amount or what is the reward that I will be getting in this very in this very job. So first and most importantly, I'll be getting paid for that a pretty good amount. And if I combine all the 3 of the freelance gigs, that can come around a pretty good amount. I will be talking about that soon as well. So that is a nice amount. I will be uploading that video soon after getting the payment and after completion of all the stuff. There will be another video of my payment stuff and all that. well, most importantly, not just payment, I'm getting a great reward for this stuff, and that is the user account that I will be getting for the website as well. So in that I talked about they will be giving me an user account for myself. In that I can get their every course free of cost on their website, as well as I will be able to attend live classes on their website for free of cost. So this is the whole scenario of how I will be getting the job, and what are the things what I will be rewarding for. And there are a bunch of things that they are going to increment, or they are going to like add to their website. But most importantly, these are the few things that you need to understand about like the freelance work that I will be working for them. So this is how the first thing is, they got me they gave me 3 courses to create for now, because they said that if these courses like are great, and if they perform really well, or if they like these courses, they can give me other work as well, other courses as well. So this is the thing. And talking about the reward thing, in the reward thing I will be getting, as I said you guys, a pretty good amount, and I will be talking about that in the future video. And second is, I will be getting a premium account on which I can access any course from their website free of cost, and their live sessions as well, that can eventually save my coaching coaching classes cost as well. So this is a huge investment, or huge reward that I will be getting from them. So this was it about whole the freelance job that I will be doing nowadays. So basically I'm just creating videos for those guys, and I will be uploading the course on there. I will let you know about the future updates according to these freelance job as well. And if the payment is all done, I will be making a video on that as well, so don't worry about that. Just stay tuned, subscribe now, hit the bell icon. And most importantly, now the thing is how to get freelance job for you as well. So don't worry about that. There's a whole playlist of mine talking about the complete guide for freelancing. Check out here in the I button or in the description. The reason is that to keep it separate from this video is that if I cover each and everything in this video only, that can take a long time for just you guys, or this video will be very lengthy. So don't just I'll just keep it into different parts. You can directly check the link in here description as well, or in the I button. And in that playlist I have talked about the complete guide for freelancers, and as well as particularly for different sectors. Like if you want to work in Upwork, if you want to be a graphic designer, if you want to be a thumbnail designer, and if you want to build personal brand, how you can do that. And the reason why I got this main freelance job is because of the personal brand, or the multiple videos, hundreds of videos uploaded on YouTube. And just because of that, they built the trust became, and just because of the trust that has been built because of the multiple videos, or the many videos on my YouTube channel, they were able to trust on me and just gave the job to me. So this is how you can build a personal brand as well. You can watch the video in the I button or in the description. So this was it for today's video, guys. Hope you learned something valuable from this video, and stay tuned for more such videos coming in the future. Subscribe now, press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the playlist in the I button, and I will be uploading the payment video or the freelancing gig upcoming updates on the YouTube channel as well. So don't worry about that. And follow me on Instagram at pranav_patil70. I will be uploading many more things on that as well. My payment proof on many more things like that I will be uploading on Instagram as soon as possible. Firstly, in spite of uploading on YouTube, I will be uploading firstly on the Instagram as well. So you can follow me on Instagram as well. Link is in the description. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you learned something valuable. Hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.